Hey everyone, welcome back. In this full step-by-step guide, I'm going to show you how to use the ClickUp Gantt chart in 2026. Gantt charts are perfect for visualizing timelines, managing dependencies, and keeping projects on track. So yeah, let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the ClickUp website. Once the page loads, sign into your ClickUp account using your email and password. If you usually log in with SSO, just select your provider and sign in. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard where all your spaces and projects are available. Now, navigate to the space folder or list where your project tasks live. To use the Gantt chart, you'll need tasks with start dates or due dates already set. If you don't have those yet, you can quickly add them inside each task. Yeah, this part is important for the timeline to work properly. At the top of your task view, click Add View, then select Gantt. ClickUp will instantly generate a Gantt chart based on your existing tasks and dates. You'll now see your tasks laid out across a timeline, making it easy to understand project duration and overlaps. You can drag tasks directly on the Gantt chart to adjust start and end dates. This automatically updates the task details, which saves a lot of time compared to editing tasks one by one. You can also zoom in or out on the timeline to view days, weeks, or months. One of the most powerful features is dependencies. You can create dependencies by linking tasks, so one task can't start until another is finished. This helps prevent bottlenecks and keeps your project flowing smoothly. Yeah, especially for complex projects. The Gantt chart also shows progress visually. Completed tasks appear differently, making it easy to see what's done and what's still pending. You can quickly spot delays or tasks that might affect your deadline. Filters and grouping are also useful. You can filter tasks by assignee, status, or priority to focus on specific parts of the project. This is great for managers who want a clear overview without distractions. As your project changes, the Gantt chart updates in real time. Any changes to tasks, dates, or dependencies are reflected instantly, keeping everyone aligned. And that's it. That's how to use the ClickUp Gantt chart in 2026 step by step to plan timelines and manage projects more effectively. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next